Hi viewers, this is your Madhusudan Reddy Kunreddy. Welcome back to my channel Mad Hottie. Today I am going to talk about Palmyra tree. In the background we are seeing these all are Palmyra trees. So before going to begin our topic, please do like and share and do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get latest videos. Yeah, coming to our topic, Palmyra tree. Palmyra tree is also called as Kalpaka Taru, Kalpaka Viricham, and tree of life. So Palmyra tree is a state tree of Tamil Nadu. It belongs to family Aricaceae and it is having the diploid chromosome number 2n equal to 36. And one more point is it is originated in Africa. Next, coming to its botany. So Palmyra tree is a perennial and dioecious crop. So all of you know about what is dioecious. So dioecious means the male and female plants are separated. And next, coming to its root system. So being a crop of monocotyledonous family, so it is having fibrous root system. So now here we are seeing the root system of Palmyra tree. So this is fibrous root system. So fibrous root system is also called as adventitious root system and also called as shallow root system. So roots will not go into deeper layers. The roots will spread over here only. And coming to its stem. So here we are seeing this is the stem and stem which is single straight means upright stem. So stem is upright stem, so there is no branches present on the stem. And how can we differentiate male and female Palmyra trees? So is there any basis for the differentiation of male and female Palmyra trees up to 15 years? So no, there is no base to differentiate Palmyra trees up to 15 years because the Palmyra tree will get flowering after 15 years only. So on the basis of flowering we can differentiate male and female Palmyra trees. So here we can see the both the inflorescence of male palm and female palm. So this is the inflorescence of male palm and this is the inflorescence of female palm. The flowers of male palm are sessile. So here we can see the dried flowers of male palm, but in case of female palm the flowers are not sessile, so we can get the fruiting in female palm. So these are the young fruits of female palm called as nungu. In Telugu we call it as nunjalu. Here we can see the female plant. So on the top of the tree we are seeing young fruits of Palmyra tree called as nungu. Here we can see the male palm. On the top of the tree we can observe dried branches of inflorescence. Now we can talk about cultivation practices of Palmyra tree. So Palmyra tree can be grown in all types of soils and it can withstand the high temperatures up to 45 degrees centigrade and it can withstand the low temperatures up to 0 degrees centigrade. And coming to its propagation, it is propagated by the seed. So we can sow the seed in the soil and the germination will get after 180 days to 200 days after sowing. Coming to toddy extraction methods for male plants and female plants, toddy extraction methods are different. Arippanai, Valluppanai, Tatuppanai, Kaivetti. These four are the toddy extraction methods. So Arippanai and Valluppanai methods are followed in male plants and Tatuppanai and Kaivetti methods are followed in female plants. If the climbers will extract the toddy or nira from 2 weeks old inflorescence in male palms is called Harippanai method, and if the climbers will extract the toddy from 1 month old inflorescence in male plants is called Volupane method. And next one is the climbers will extract the toddy from young female inflorescence is called Thatupane. And if the climbers will extract the toddy from 2 to 3 months old female inflorescence is called Kaiveti. Next we are going to talk about what are the major byproducts which we are getting from palmyra tree. The first one is primary product is Neera, also called as Padanir and also called as toddy, and the second one is Nungu, and the third one is palm sugar, and the fifth one is ripe fruit. So we will talk about Neera and what are the health benefits of Neera. Neera is also called as Padanir. There is a little difference between toddy and Neera. So Neera is freshly extracted sap of the palmyra tree, and the toddy is the over fermented Neera, we call it as toddy. And what are the health benefits? So if you will take regularly toddy for 45 days, your body weight will be increases, and toddy will cures the leprosy, toddy will cures the breathing problems, and anyone having constipation problems, they can take toddy regularly because toddy will cure the indigestion problems, constipation problems. It will clean the our intestine, and also toddy will increases the count of red blood cells in our body. It means it cures the anemia. And next coming to Nungu. Nungu is the young fruit of palmyra tree, and what are its benefits? So if you will pour the Nungu water on the cornea of your eye, it will reduces the heat, and Nungu water can also reduce the rashes on your body. The third one is palm sugar. How the palm sugar will made? The destained and clarified sap is heated at 108 to 110 degrees centigrade, and the health benefits is the liquid which is extracted by the dissolving of palm sugar in water can give to typhoid patients. And one more advantage of palm sugar is if you can feed the children with palm sugar, they can regain their health. And then next, another important byproduct is fruit, ripe fruit. So ripe fruit will also use it to cure leprosy. So next, what is the difference between toddy and arak? So toddy is a fermented alcoholic beverage, and what is arak? If the tapping is not done properly by the climber, so tapping means the toddy extraction method or sap extraction method is called toddy. If it is not done properly by the climber, so we will get spirit like fluid from the palmyra tree, that is called arak. So arak is not useful to our health, not beneficial to our health. One more point is Neera is having 12 to 16% sugars with some B complex vitamins and ascorbic acid also, and the alcohol percentage in toddy is 5.5%. Yeah, this is all about palmyra tree. I hope all of you like my video. If you like my video, don't forget to share and do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get latest videos. So I'll come up with the next video. I'll meet you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.